You know that your data is at its best when combined across platforms to give you a clear and complete view of your performance, all in one comprehensive dashboard. There's so much to learn from your data, but getting it all into one place can take so long that there's not much time left for the analysis you need. If you've struggled to join data from multiple sources, such as your CRM, subscription platforms, and social media channels, or have ever felt uncertain that the numbers you're presenting are completely up to date, then let us introduce you to ExtendInsights. ExtendInsights connects Microsoft Excel with many of the business apps and platforms you use today. With ExtendInsights, you can provide your team with a solution for both data consolidation and analysis tasks, all from Excel. ExtendInsights Excel integration gives you the flexibility to define, edit, and customize your reporting. Combine queries to join disparate data right in Excel or Power BI. Then schedule your queries or refresh on demand to be sure you're working with the most up-to-date data. Pulling your data right into Excel lets you bypass the need to log into several different interfaces and export multiple reports. Plus, you can leverage all your Excel or Power BI know-how to build the exact reports you need for clarity on marketing activities and outcomes. You and your team can be confident in the results of your work and decisions for the future. Gain immediate ROI, increase productivity on your teams, and more with the help of CloudExtend, just like over 1,800 customers in over 60 countries already have. See for yourself today with a free trial. ExtendInsights by CloudExtend. Install in seconds. See immediate business value. Integrate, automate, extend.